Hi, everybody. Welcome back. It's your favorite professor, Dr. T. So for the next topic, we're going to do U.S. customary weight conversions with whole number values. So we have a table here. So we have ounces, and then we have pounds and the symbol, and then tons and that symbol. So we are filling in the blanks. So we have 5 tons and we want to know how many pounds that is. So 1 ton is 2,000 pounds. So if I have 5, I'm going to multiply that by 2,000. And just to be careful, I'm going to use my calculator. So 5 times 2,000. And I get 10,000, and you probably knew that. And then we're gonna go from 144 ounces to pounds. So if there is 1 pound in 16 ounces, then we're going to end up with a smaller number, okay? So 144 divided by 16 gives you 9 pounds. Okay? Let's try one more. So this time we have 18,000 pounds, and we're going to get the amount of tons that is. So if we have a big number and you see that 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds, but we have this big number pounds, that means we're going to go to tons. That means it's going to be a smaller number. So you have to make a decision. Are you going to multiply or divide? And the best way to do that is to know that conversion. So it's 18,000 divided by 2,000, and you can think about it like 18 divided by 2, which is 9, and just take care of the zeros. I am going to go to a smaller keyboard because that big one's always in the way. So we get 9 here, and then we're going from 40. We're going to go from 48 ounces or ounces to pounds. So ounces is going to be a bigger number, but pounds is going to be a smaller number. So we know that there are 16 ounces in 1 pound. So we're going to take 48 divided by 16, and we're going to get pounds. So 48 divided by 16, and that's 3. All right, let's try one more. I think I said that before, but we're going to do one more because I'm having fun. So 32 ounces to pounds. So 32, I don't need the calculator. So 32 divided by 16 is 2. And then we're going to go from tons to pounds. That means we're just going to have a bigger number. So it's just 2,000 times 8, which is 16,000. Let me just make sure. Yep. Once in a blue moon, I mess up zeros. All right. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.